In the near future, Americans will have the opportunity to taste chicken that is produced directly from chicken cells, without the need to raise and slaughter actual chickens. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, has granted permission to Upside Foods and Good Meat to start manufacturing and selling lab-grown chicken products in the country. However, it will still take some time before cell-based meat is available in supermarkets. Instead, it is expected that restaurants will offer these products first, allowing people to experience the taste. What is it? Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated or cell-based meat, is developed from animal cells grown in large bioreactors using nutrients like amino acids. The production process resembles a brewery, with people in lab coats and hairnets overseeing giant vats. Once the meat is ready, it is collected from the bioreactors and processed for distribution. Good Meat's protein closely resembles minced chicken when extracted. What are the benefits? One of the main advantages of cell-based meat is that it allows people to consume meat without the need to slaughter animals. It also has environmental benefits, as traditional agriculture, especially animal agriculture, contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. While the energy requirements for producing lab-grown meat are high, they can be offset by reduced land and water usage. Cultivated meat could provide a solution for feeding the growing global population if produced on a large scale. Is it vegetarian? It is important to note that lab-grown meat is not considered vegetarian since it is derived from animal cells. However, it offers advantages in terms of safety, as it is not exposed to contaminants typically found in conventionally harvested meat. Does it taste like regular meat? In terms of taste, cell-based meat is said to closely resemble traditional meat. Those who have tried lab-grown chicken have described it as tasting like real chicken. What exactly has been approved in the U.S.? The USDA's Food Safety and Inspection Service has approved Upside Foods and Good Meat's applications for inspection, indicating that the products meet food safety standards. When will I be able to try it? While an exact timeline is not provided, it is expected that cell-based meat will be available to consumers in the near future, initially in specific areas. Upside Foods and Good Meat have plans to introduce their products in restaurants first, with Good Meat already starting production. They aim to eventually make the products available in supermarkets, but are currently focused on gathering feedback and understanding consumer preferences. How much does it cost? The cost of producing lab-grown meat is still relatively high, although it has significantly decreased over the years. Specific pricing details are not provided, but Good Meat's cultivated chicken will likely be priced slightly higher or comparable to other chicken items at restaurants. The companies aim to eventually achieve price parity with traditional chicken or even offer their products at a lower cost. However, this will require building cost-effective facilities and demonstrating a scalable and profitable business model. So what do you think? Will you try lab-grown meat? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.